Hey guys, Mick here from DigiCat, and in this quick video I'm going to step you through how to use HubSpot's personalization tokens and a use case for using personalized content inside your membership area on top of HubSpot. So if we dive in and have a look here, we have a contact profile for myself. You can see here we've got our website grader. So this is a tool we use on our website that allows us to grade somebody's website and then give them the results based off the Google Lighthouse. Okay, so here inside of our client portal demo, you can see here we've got our website grader results. What we need to do is if we open up our website grader in a new panel, we can whack in our details. All right, and we can put in our website. We can then run this tool. This tool will go off and collect the information needed to be able to give us a score for our website. And then what that will do is that will then populate my contact profile. So you could use this for any external tool that you have or any software platform that you are using. You can see here, it's pulled through the details. It's given me an overall score over here. If I go back into the contact profile now and give that a refresh, what we're going to find is the contact profile is now completely populated with content. If we go to our login area, our membership area, and refresh this, we now have the refreshed content, which is our website performance, sitting inside of our membership area. So you could use this for external tools, your own software packages, whatever that be. We can pull data through from another platform into HubSpot and then personalize that inside a membership area for somebody using our Nexus portal theme on top of HubSpot Content Hub.